Hey, check this out. This is great. This is Chez with Forever Buildings. We're just south of Sumner, Illinois. This couple here bought a building from us last year. They like it so much, they referred us to their son-in-law. Their son-in-law purchased a building this week. Exciting stuff for us. They were so happy with our service. They were so happy with how we built the building and just the whole process that they wanted to share that with others. Actually, because she shared it, she's going to get a $100 gift card from us. So, and actually, it's a Visa card, not a gift card, so you can spend it anywhere. But anyway, if you need a building, I'm sure you'll be happy, just like this couple here and their son-in-law who bought as well. So, let us get you a building. Have a great day. God bless.